Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to navigate through Google Console. Sometimes if you look at it, from the first time, it might look really confusing, but it's pretty straightforward and simple. And the good part of it is that it's a free tool that Google provides us to be able to track where we are on Google. So there are a lot of paid SEO tools, but apparently Google Console, since it's internally made by Google, is believed to be the best one. So here we are. Here we are. We have some data here. So type search web date, last 3 months, and obviously you can add date since you started doing SEO, for example. Right here we have a client we did SEO. Let's just remove the click, so we can see that we started doing uh, somewhere here. Uh, we started pumping it, and we can see how their impressions are increasing. Now their clicks don't seems like there's some missing points right here and right here. But in the latest, we see 3 clicks here, 3 clicks, 2 clicks. So meaning that the clicks are increasing too. Sometimes when Google picks up on SEO, it's gonna shut down, like gonna put the website in the further positions before the new pages are indexed. So it's pretty normal. So now we have top queries and also average CTR. You can change the click-through rate, check the click-through rate, what's the comparably to the impressions, how many people are clicking, and average position. So position is made out of all the keywords, and definitely we know that some of the keywords are maybe not as relevant and they would be on further pages, but we are checking for our main keywords, right? So we see here carpet cleaner, CTR, impression 31, position 5.1 and 4 clicks, which is not bad. Now we can check what's going on here. So we can see that there are impressions for carpet cleaner, there are some clicks for carpet cleaner, and positions. You see here how it went down, position 20, and then this is position 4. So it averages out and gives you the position. Hopefully in the future we will see um, more stuff going on with this keyword. Let's go back, check a couple more. Apparently you can also track not only the keywords, like this is 1.6. We can see that there's more impression done recently. Carpet cleaning Moncton, uh, position 5. And here we have position 1, position 7, position 6, position 8, position 1, position 4. Yeah, so looks like hopefully we're going to increase the impressions for this specific keyword. And also we can check what the pages are ranking for this, right? So you can see that this is the main page that is ranking for this. And we can see what the position is. Now there is another page that is ranking. It's our services, and we have last impression and further position, and deep carpet cleaning for the home. The same thing, last impression and further position. So ideally, you want your main pages to be ranking better, and specifically if you have a service page, for example, for specific service, you want to rank better. The best is like if homepage is ranking because it's made for them to convert, but if not, then your specific page that you optimized. So you can see that the positions are improving here. We'll see maybe the average impressions will improve too. So we can check pages. Now we can check countries too. So we can see this Canada, which had 163 impression. We have India, United States, which we don't really care about those countries, but we can see that most clicks came from Canada, which is what we need. So then we can track devices, desktop, most of them, mobile and tablet, nobody really clicked. And search appearance, don't have any data here, and dates, which is pretty cool too. You can see that it's all February. That, yeah, probably can track further too. Yeah. So that's how we can track data in Google Console. Uh, yeah, and there's other options here to track if your website page is on indexing and all different parts to it. But this is really the main reason I use it. Thanks. Bye.